This is astonishing. I could never have imagined any of this had been found. Nothing. Like many of my guests, I too have a mystery in my family tree. So I asked genetic genealogist Cece Moore to take my job for a day.
Skip, today we're switching things up, and I'm giving you the Finding Your Roots treatment.
I feel naked over here. The mystery begins at the Rose Hill Cemetery in Cumberland, Maryland. My great-grandfather, Edward Gates, is buried here, along with his mother, my great-great-grandmother, a formerly enslaved woman named Jane Gates. Generations of my family have long wanted to know who fathered Jane's children, and Cece figured it out. She built a genetic network and discovered that Jane had at least one child with a white farmer named Charles Wesley Kelly. Charles is my great-great-grandfather.
Please turn the page.
And once Cece learned his name, she was able to add new branches to my family tree. Charles Kelly, age 26, farmer. Hannah Kelly, age 46. Jacob Stotler, age 50. Amanda Kelly, 18. Mary Kelly, 12. And Fanny, 10.
So this is the 1850 census for Allegheny County, Maryland. Do you recognize any of the names?
Yes, Charles Kelly.
Right.
And someone 20 years older named Hannah, I am guessing is his mother, which would make her my third great-grandmother.
Right. You're jumping way ahead. You know how this goes.
That's cool.
So as you know, the 1850 census doesn't spell out the relationships, but it seemed very likely that the 46-year-old woman named Hannah is Charles' mother, while the three women ages 10 to 18 were his sisters. And DNA supports this conclusion.
That's great.
This means that you just met your great-great-great-grandmother, a woman named Hannah.
That is so cool.
Now, there's someone else on that census that stands out, Jacob Stotler, age 50.
Who is this dude living on the farm in isolation with an unmarried woman?
Any guesses?
Her brother.
Good guess.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
We believe that he was Hannah's older brother, and let me show you why. Please turn the page.
Pretty good, huh? Pretty good.
So this is a marriage record from 1822 in Allegheny County, Maryland.
Wow, cool. James Kelly married Hannah Stotler. Nice. So I'm a Stotler, too.
You keep reading my script for me. That's right.
That's
you
great.
You are a Kelly and a Stotler.
And a Stotler. That's cool.
Had you ever heard the Stotler name around Cumberland?
I've never heard of the Stotler name around anywhere. As it turns out, the Stotlers have lived in and around Cumberland since the early 1800s. And learning that I was part of this family would lead to a startling discovery. In all our years of researching Jane, no one in my family had ever been able to uncover one single detail about her life in slavery. But as our team combed through the documents that the Stotlers left behind, they found what had eluded generations of Gateses, an estate record listing Jane and her children as property. Oh,
okay,
wow.
hold on. Let me introduce you to this record.
Okay.
You're looking at a part of the estate file of Christian Stotler, your great-great-great-grandmother Hannah Stotler's brother.
Wow, this is the guy who owned Jane and her children. That's amazing. That is amazing.
Did you ever imagine you would see this?
No, never.
You've asked a lot of your guests this in the past, but how does it feel to see their names with dollar values assigned?
Oh, it's just, I have tears in my eyes, It's, I can't believe it. Wow, that's amazing. That is astonishing. This is just going to floor everybody. I'm floored. Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are, where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.